This tutorial shows you how to automate temperature compliance reporting for your binary med devices so you can eliminate manual checks and stay audit ready at all times. Let's start by looking at the sidebar and clicking Reports, then Temperature Range Audit. Now we can configure the temperature range audit report. Start by selecting various filters for your trackers and choosing your date range. Once your report is configured, then you can click Apply. Now you can see the temperature range audit report. You can also create schedules for this report by clicking Create Schedule, typing a name, and selecting a frequency, and typing in email addresses that the report will be sent to. Then click Create. And now the report schedule has been created for the temperature range audit report. You can review this by clicking on Reports, then clicking Schedules. And you can test this schedule report by clicking the 3 dots and clicking Test Report Schedule. This will send an email with what the schedule report would look like. Now over in our emails, we can see the temperature range report has been sent. You can see it's attached as a CSV and also visible from this link. Next is the temperature events audit report. This report provides a detailed event-leveled export including the date and time, tracker ID, recorded temperature, and any threshold breaches. You can start by visiting the Reports tab again, clicking Temperature Events Audit. Now select the desired date range, temperature thresholds, and any other tracker filters. The temperature events audit is currently generated on demand and can be downloaded directly from the platform as a CSV file.